Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and welcome to the first video of 2022. I hope you guys had a great new year. I hope that 2022 is a way better year than 2021. So for this first video, we're going to be talking about some amazing Mac apps for your Mac setup for 2022. So let's start. So the first app we have is called Hidden Me. So Hidden Me is an awesome app that allows you to hide pretty much your folders that you create. If you have thousands of folders on your desktop, it hides it all away. So if you look right behind me, I'm actually using Hidden Me right now to hide all those folders that I have because it's a messy and cluttery and it just doesn't look nice, of course. So I use Hidden Me to hide it all out so that it looks nice and fresh for you and of course for me as well whenever I just don't want to see all those folders that I have on my desktop. So Hidden Me is just an awesome app just to keep your desktop nice and clean whenever you're filming YouTube videos or you just want to have it clean for a little while. Coming in number 2, we have Unsplash. So of course, Unsplash is an awesome place to get some amazing photography for wallpaper, for other stock photos as well. And Unsplash has an awesome wallpaper app that you can go and download in the App Store. That's free to download. And what it does is pretty much you could choose whatever wallpaper or photo you like from Unsplash and add it to your Mac without having to go into the web page. You could just have the app already installed and just choose from thousands of wallpapers that they have there for your Mac setup, and it just looks fantastic. As you can see right now, right behind me, I'm actually using the wallpaper from Unsplash, and it just looks really nice. And a lot of the wallpapers I use are all from Unsplash, just because Unsplash has a fantastic community of photographers that create some amazing wallpapers for you to go and use for free. Coming in number 3, we have an awesome app called Cheat Sheet. So Cheat Sheet is an awesome app that pretty much changed the game how I use the Mac and a lot of programs, because there's a ton of programs and there's a lot of cool little shortcuts that you can use in those programs. Like if you're using Photoshop or Lightroom or Final Cut Pro, there's a ton of shortcuts that you know and learn, but you sometimes just don't remember them. So what Cheat Sheet does is pretty much when you download the app into the Mac app, you could just click on Command on the keyboard and hold Command for a few seconds, and it will show you the cheat sheet of the program that you're currently using. So if you're using Photoshop or Final Cut Pro or something, you just click on Command while that program is open, hold it for a little bit, and it will show you all the shortcuts that you can use in that program. So it's a game changer, so that you don't have to write it down or anything like that. You just always have it there. If you remember a shortcut or something, or you just need to be reminded about a shortcut, Cheat Sheet is there for you. Next we have is Menu Weather Plus. So Menu Weather Plus is just an awesome simple app, and what this app does, it shows you the weather right within the toolbar without having you to check your iPhone or check any other. You don't even have to look out the window. You can just quickly check there, and it's always updated in the background as long as you're connected to the Wi-Fi. And it just is an amazing app because you could just check the weather right from there and see if it's cold or warm. And since I live in Canada, you know, having a weather app like Menu Weather Plus is just a really game-changing app because I could just quickly see the weather and decide if I want to go out or not. And next and not least, we have an awesome app called Aerial Companion. So Aerial Companion is a fantastic app if you want to have, if you're a fan of the Apple TV wallpaper screen setups that Apple has exclusively on there. A developer created this app that you can have all those wallpapers right within on your Mac as well, without having to buy an Apple TV to enjoy those wallpaper motions. So it's just a really powerful application. It's free to download, and it just makes looking at the screensaver a lot more better than the default screensavers that Apple provides on the Mac. So those are the top 5 apps for 2022 when it comes to the Mac setup that I highly recommend you guys go and check out for this year, because I think that they will help you a lot. Now if you have any cool Mac apps that I should go and check out and download, please comment down below, because that's really cool and helpful. And as always, Happy New Year, Happy 2022. I hope that 2022 is way better for you than it was for 2021. And as always, I'll see you guys later. Peace.